Hey guys, welcome back, and I will be showing you how to create a form so you can take name and email input from the user. Okay, so first of all, create a form tag. Whoops, not this, a form tag, and then a field set. A field set hold all the relevant information together. Okay, all the relevant fields. Then inside the field set, we have a legend. A legend is a heading to your form, like hire me, and then we can have a p tag. Inside the p tag we can enter input, the type as text because the first input is the name, then the id, which can be something like user name. Okay, then the name property, which I'm entering as name, placeholder. Okay, something like enter your name. I will show you where it appears. Then required, because this field is required. Okay, user has to mandatory fill this field. And then auto complete as name. Okay, so if the user's name and other form information is stored on their browser, then it gets filled automatically. Then spell check as true. That's it. After that, a label for is equals to username. Okay, and name. So this label right over here, you see inside the for, should match the id for which you are writing this label. Okay, now a new p tag and an input field. This input type is going to be email, id is going to be user mail, let's say user mail, the name is going to be email, the placeholder is enter your email. This field is also required to be filled. Autocomplete is true and it is an email. Okay, spell check is true. Pretty simple, right? And then a label for this one is for the user email or user mail, and you can type something like email. Great. Now let's go back. Here we see, right, the hire me, this is the legend, this is the labels. Inside this you see enter your name and enter your email, these are the placeholders. And when I click on these input fields, and this is the filled information, this information is stored in my Chrome browser. Okay, and it is filled automatically. This is the magic of all the HTML that you see here. This comes from autocomplete name and autocomplete email. So this is the best SEO method for writing your forms. Okay, so with that, let's move on.